Hi, this is Malik. As you know, I am here building the MERN to do application, and I have done the most of all things in my backend. And you can see the controllers, middlewares, models, routes, everything I have done. Just one thing is remain, and that is the verify user. It means I have decided very first, like when user is a student, I have categorized users in two parts. First is admin, second one is normal user like student. So if it is user is student, the user only that user, like there is a student 1 and student 2. Only student 1 can update their one to do, but student 2 can't able to access the student 1 to do. So this thing is remain to apply. So let me perform that. Okay. So first let's start the server. Okay. So let me start, and the command is npm run dev. Okay, so you can see in app.js I have done most of all things. So I will implement the middleware for that. Okay, so first let's go to routers, and there is a todos. Okay, so in auth middleware, by using auth middleware, I am checking the user is logging or not. Okay, and in get todos you can see the in controllers, and okay, it started. So in get todos, I am setting that according to user ID. If student 1 is there, so student 1 can see only their todos, not student 2 todos and not others users to do. But admin can see the all todos. Okay, so this is done by here. But one thing is remain for updation and for deletion. Okay, so they can. Okay, so only student 1 can update only their todos. So let's apply this. So for that, what will I do? So my approach is that first I will check what the ID, like for update we have to give a ID in our API. So I will take that ID, and I will first take that to do. We are using that ID, and I will check the user whatever user is logging. So if both IDs match, so that ID in that all to do their owner user ID is saved. Okay, so I will check if both user ID is same, so I will allow to update it, otherwise I will not allow. Okay, so let me build that for that middleware. I will take name verify user.js. Okay, so let me just create. So const verify user equal to request comma response and next. Okay, so now it will be async only, and let's use the try catch block. Okay, so now I will take here token. Okay, by using token I will check the user ID. Okay, so first let me take the token. Const token equal to request dot headers, then authorization question mark dot split, and then 1. Okay, so by using this I will get a token, and first I will check token is there or not. If not token, so I will simple return from here itself to user. I will do return response dot status, and dot I will send in JSON format message token not found, token missing. Okay, I can say token missing. Okay, now let's handle the error. So response dot status 500.json error dot message. Okay, so now errors are handled. Now I will first by using request dot params I will get the ID. Okay, so let's do const ID equal to request dot params. Okay, so by using this I will get ID. Now by using this ID I will get that particular to do, and I will compare the user ID. Okay, so for that const to do equal to await, then to do model dot find one. Okay, so also let me import it, to do model. Okay, so to do where is the model? Let me check the name. To do model only. Okay, it is coming. Now I will send the ID. I will add here ID underscore ID colon ID. Okay, so now To-do is done. Okay. And one more thing, by using token, I will use here JWT, because in JWT decoded message, I have saved the user ID. Okay. So let me check here. So const decoded equal to JWT. Let me import the JWT. Const JWT equal to, okay, require JSON web token. Okay. So now it is also imported JW dot verify. I will do verify. First is token and second is the secret key. Okay, so let me go in auth middleware and check the secret key. Okay, so let me add here. Okay, now it is done. So in decoded message, I will get a user ID, and in to do also I have one user ID. Okay, so now I have two user ID. If decoded message user ID and to do user ID both are same, so I will allow user to access. Okay, otherwise not. If to do dot user ID equal to decoded dot user ID. If both are same, I will return the next. Okay, otherwise response dot status, for example 403 for unauthorized dot JSON, and message you are not allowed to access this. Okay, so now I have done this thing. Now let me just export it. So module dot exports equal to control V and so I have exported and now let's use it. Okay, let's go to the routes. Okay, so routes is there. So for updates and okay, so it is not coming. Let me import it. Okay, so again verify user, I have exported and suggestion is not coming. Okay. Let me import it. So it is both are same as a path. Let me just do like this. Verify user. Okay. Any error? No. Okay. So now let's check. Okay, now let's check. Go to subject line and first maybe I have to do also again the. Let me send. Okay. So this is the student 1. Okay. Okay. This is student 1. Okay. Then go to here. Send here. Okay. This is student 2. This is student 1, student 2, and this is the admin. Okay. So let me do one thing. So this is the student 1. Okay. So let's take ID of the to-do from here and go to student 2 account. Okay. So let's do to-do slash and update. The path is update and slash control V, and this will be the patch request. Okay. So now let me change the big description like this will update by. Okay, this is updating by student 2. So let me add SP2. Okay, now let's send. Okay, so you can see you are not allowed to access this because this is the student 2 account and this is the student 1, and I have took one ID from the student 1 and I have tried to update it from the student 2. So it is not working. Okay, let's do for a delete also. Okay, so sorry for that I have. Okay, so now let's do. So you can see you are not allowed to access this. Okay, now let's do one thing. Just copy this one and let's try here. Okay, so let's try to delete which one? Learning to do. Okay, so this is the ID. Okay, let me take this one. Learning backend. Okay, now let's do delete request. Okay, so you can see now from this student 1, student 1 only can delete that O1 ID. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's do the get request. Okay. You can see only one to do is coming. It means this verify user middleware is working fine. Okay, so this what approach I know. If you have a good approach more than this, so just suggest me. I will try to implement. Okay, let me just put in the GitHub. So verify user, it is middleware. middleware. Okay. Let me just do commit and push it. So thank you for watching. I hope this is a helpful and this is the good. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye bye.